7 healthy juices to prevent heart blockage and promote cardiovascular health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being, and one effective way to support cardiovascular health is through a nutritious diet. Juices made from fresh fruits and vegetables can provide a wide range of essential nutrients that promote heart health and help prevent heart blockage. In this video, we will explore 7 delicious and nutrient-rich juices that can contribute to a healthy heart and reduce the risk of heart blockage. Pomegranate juice. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, pomegranate juice is known for its heart protective properties. It helps reduce blood pressure, prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, and enhance blood flow. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular health. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a powerhouse of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Nitric oxide, produced from nitrates, relaxes and dilates blood vessels, reducing the strain on the heart. Additionally, beetroot juice contains antioxidants and betaine, which reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, helping to prevent heart blockage. Orange juice. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, and folate, orange juice provides numerous benefits for heart health. Vitamin C helps strengthen blood vessels, while potassium regulates blood pressure. Folate lowers homocysteine levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Choose fresh, natural orange juice without added sugars for optimal heart health benefits. Green vegetable juice. A blend of nutrient-dense green vegetables such as spinach, kale, celery, and cucumber can work wonders for heart health. These veggies are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. They help lower cholesterol levels, reduce oxidative stress, and maintain healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart blockage. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known for its high levels of antioxidants, specifically flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that can improve cardiovascular health. Cranberry juice also helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, and prevent the formation of blood clots, thus reducing the risk of heart blockage. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a rich source of lycopene, an antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. Lycopene helps prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of plaque in the arteries. Regular consumption of tomato juice can lower the risk of heart disease and maintain healthy blood vessels. Carrot juice. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. Drinking carrot juice can help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and cholesterol levels, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. Carrots also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Conclusion. Incorporating these 7 healthy juices into your daily diet can be a refreshing and delicious way to promote cardiovascular health and prevent heart blockage. Pomegranate juice, beetroot juice, orange juice, green vegetable juice, cranberry juice, tomato juice, and carrot juice are all packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that support heart health, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and prevent the formation of plaque in the arteries. Remember to consume these juices in moderation and as part of a balanced diet to maximize their benefits. Prioritize your heart health and enjoy the natural goodness of these heart-healthy juices.